clothes, sheets, etc. that need to be washed.
Laundry. Laundry.
To do the laundry.
Wanting to be successful or powerful.
Ambitious. Ambitious. An ambitious young lawyer.
Very unusual or noticeable in a way that you admire.
Remarkable. Remarkable.
He has a remarkable memory.
Unhappy or unable to feel excited or energetic about anything.
Down. Down. I've been feeling a bit down this week.
To influence someone's thoughts or actions.
Rule. Rule. His life is ruled by the demands of his job.
Only by a small amount.
Narrowly. Narrowly.
She narrowly missed winning an Oscar.
Over a period of time that continues a long way into the future.
Long term. Long term. This decision may make financial sense now, but it will have serious consequences in the long term.
A hollow, metal object, shaped like a cup, that makes a ringing sound when you hit it.
Bell. Bell. The sound of church bells ringing.
In or to many different places.
Place. Place. There were dirty dishes all over the place.
To behave in a dishonest or cruel way to someone who trusts you.
Betray. Betray. He promised never to betray her.
Better or more suitable.
Preferable. Preferable.
Surely a diplomatic solution is preferable to war.
At the start of a situation.
Place. Place. Why did you invite her in the first place?
An important discovery or event that helps to improve a situation or provide an answer to a problem.
Breakthrough. Breakthrough. A major breakthrough in negotiations has been achieved.
To put something somewhere carefully.
Place. Place. She placed the letter in front of me.
If a plan or idea is ambitious, it will need a lot of work and will be difficult to achieve.
Ambitious. Ambitious. This is our most ambitious project so far.
To be in control of somewhere, usually a country.
Rule. Rule. They were ruled for many years by a dictator.
To do something instead of someone else.
Place. Place. If I can't make it to the theater that night, you can take my place.
Very large in amount or degree.
Extreme. Extreme. Extreme pain or danger or wealth.
instead of something.
Place. Place. Try adding fruit to your cereal in place of sugar.
The usual way something is.
Rule. Rule. An exception to the rule.
The most unusual or the most serious possible.
Extreme. Extreme. Extreme weather conditions.
The process or business of putting sounds, especially music, onto a disc, magnetic tape, etc., using electronic equipment.
Recording. Recording. A recording studio.
Used to show politeness when refusing something or disagreeing.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry, I can't agree.